Hi, I'm Nini, and I've just been evicted from the Big Brother Naija house, and I'm going to be going through some of the comments you guys shared about my stay in the house. So, Aliyah25 said, "Tell her I miss her on screen." Oh, thank you. I miss myself on screen too. Ankara arranged, "Our energy is contagious." Thank you, girl. And so, Chris Blind said, "Did you ever feel anything for Saga?" I keep you guessing on that. Then Precious Onyechi Okorokwa, "What is your dream outside the house?" Okay, so I have so many dreams, but I'm just going to share a few so that I don't take too much of time because I have to go through a lot of comments. So I own a fashion brand and we're going to start from there, and modeling and a lot of things. So we'll see. Precious. Then Ben MK said, "Does she think her closeness with Saga affected her game plan, if any?" Honestly, I didn't think so. Saga was a lovely person. I didn't even come with a game plan, so it didn't. Blaze Abdu said, "What will happen to her boyfriend if he turns his back on her?" What will happen to her if her boyfriend turns his back on her? We'll see. Queen Amy 69 said, "How does she feel being evicted and what's up for her next?" Honestly, I am great. And what's up? Obviously, my fashion brand, I'm going to start from there. I'm going to do a lot of modeling. I'm going to be in your faces. So Natasha said, "My beautiful Nini, I love you so much. I really hoped you make it to top 5. And if you don't, I know you'll be good out here. You know what, Nini? I love you very much." Thank you, Natasha. I love you too. I didn't make it to top 5, but yes, you're right. I'm good out here. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for all the love. Unfortunately, I can't go through all the comments, but I love you. Thanks for all the love.